Hi guys, in this video I'll be sharing how I made this bench out of pallets, and I just wanted to share it with you and hopefully to inspire you and give you an idea that you don't have to throw away your old pallets. You can actually make something out of them. And I don't know, I just came out with this idea and just had some pallets somebody gave away. So as you can see guys, it's 57 inches by 24 inches this way, and the sides are made of 24 by 24 inches pallets. I got two of them on each side. All I did is got a 2x4 and put it in the middle right here, nailed it from the sides so you can have your holders for a phone or cups, your drinks you got while you're sitting around. And I got these blocks I cut off out of 2x4s and put them in here for kids to play and slide, and you can hold your drinks with it. And as you can see, this side's like this, the same on this side. It's identical. I made sure it's the same height and everything. Like I said, 24 by 24. You can always get rid of this side right here from the bottom, but I left it there for support. The bench sits about 15 inches from the ground. As you can see, I put a 2x4s right here for security. Secured it from the sides. In the middle I got 48 by 24 inches pallet that I had. All I did is cut the bottom out and left everything else on it, and it has three of these right here wide. Obviously you don't have to be exactly the same, but just an idea for you how it looks. The back is secured by this, and I secured the nails in here to the other pallet that I put in the middle. That's all it is. It's just a one piece that I cut out, and then I put another piece under it. And I got these 2x4s for security in the back. All I did is I cut the bottom 15 degrees angle. That way you can lean on it a little bit. Doesn't have to be straight 90 degrees. And I screwed two nails from the bottom on each side for security. And same thing on this side. I got 2x4s, 15-inch tall 2x4s for security. Nails here, nails on this side, nails on this side. Same thing on this side, and other 2x4, so it can be more stable. And all I did is fill it with wood filler, all the holes and nails. I let it dry, and then I stained it with a stain, and it turned out just like this, guys. I hope you guys like this bench. I just wanted to share it with everyone, and didn't want to keep it to myself, because you don't want to throw away pallets for no reason. You can just make something like this.